falling in love with a man who's married. Why? Not every men are okay and ready to talk about certain kind of mommy issues what they have in their life. को उनके बारे में मालूम ही नहीं है, जिनको पता ही नहीं है, तो उनको थोड़ा एक आइडिया है कि नहीं, very much okay for a guy to be in love with a girl even after the marriage.
जो भी रिलेशनशिप हो, सिस्टर हो, बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो, गर्लफ्रेंड हो, वाइफ हो, डॉटर हो, सब में रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. 3 कैरेक्टर्स में कौन सा कैरेक्टर आपका फेवरेट है?
I mean, the only thing is how well you want to communicate whatever your desires are.
Yeah.
That is it. Sandeep said during our press meet that okay, there is no rule that a man cannot love after marriage.
Yeah.
There is no rule.
I want you to tell me about your journey in the film industry. कितने साल से इंडस्ट्री में हो? मेजर डिसीजन ले लिया है आपने कि शिफ्ट हो गए ऑलरेडी?
Exactly.
You don't even have godfathers from the industry. You're on your own now.
I understand that being an artist, you have to live from paycheck to paycheck. Because लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ टैलेंट चलता है, टैलेंट चलता है, टैलेंट बिकता भी है.
This is not even your state. You don't even know the language completely. You have to live here. You have to worry about your safety. You have to be your own parent. You have to be your own caretaker or breadwinner.
Yes.
That's
It's
too
everything
much.
all
That's
in
too
one.
much. Yeah. హాయ్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? మీరు ఎట్లున్నా ఏం లేకున్నా నేనైతే మస్తున్నా. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎ ఫ్రెండ్, చాలా క్యూట్ తను, మంచి యాక్ట్రెస్, మోడల్, మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్ చేస్తుంటుంది, మల్టీ ఫెసిలిటెడ్ అనే చెప్పాలి. సో ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా చెప్పేస్తా, నన్ అదర్ దాన్ ప్రాచి ఠాకూర్ ఈస్ విత్ మీ.
Thank you so much, Gayatri. Thank you so much for having me.
సో ప్రాచి నాట్ జస్ట్ యాక్ట్రెస్ లాగా కాదు, నాకు పర్సనల్ గా కూడా తను మంచి ఫ్రెండ్. సో దీంతో మాట్లాడి మేము చాలా వైబ్ షేర్ చేసుకుంటాము. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్ కలిసి హ్యాంగ్ అవుట్ అయితే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలాగే ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఇదేదో టిపికల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ లాగా అయితే నేను మీకు ప్రామిస్ చేయను. హ్యావ్ నార్మల్ స్వీట్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ తనతో ఎప్పటిలాగానే. తనకి కొంచెం తెలుగు ప్రాబ్లం ఉంది, సో కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడుతుంది, కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడుతుంది.
కానీ మీ మాట్లాడితే తెలుగు నాకు అర్థమైంది, నేను మాట్లాడితే చాలా తక్కువ అయింది. ఎందుకే
తప్పు అయింది.
ఎగ్జాంపుల్
అదనమాట స్టోరీ. మీకు అర్థమైంది కదా. సో కొంచెం హిందీ, కొంచెం తెలుగు, కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఉంటది మన కాన్వర్సేషన్. సో మొన్న నేను లవ్ యూ 2 సినిమా చూసాను, చాలా నచ్చింది. నేను చాలా స్కెప్టికల్ ఉండే, అంటే ఒక సెకండ్ లవ్ అంటే పెళ్ళైన తర్వాత ఇంకొకరితో లవ్ లో పడ్డం అనేది చాలా కాంప్లికేటెడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
దాన్ని జస్టిఫై చేయడం అనేది ఇట్స్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద హార్డెస్ట్ టాస్క్. లైక్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్విన్స్ ఆడియన్స్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ ఐ ఫైట్ ఫర్ ఇట్ అంటే ఇట్లా కాదు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఏబుల్ టు కన్విన్స్ మీ. అలా ఒక ఆడియన్స్ లా ఐ ఫెల్ట్ ఐమ్ కన్విన్స్డ్. సో మీరు ఆ సినిమా చేసినప్పుడు మీకు వెన్ జోగి టోల్డ్ యూ అబౌట్ ద స్టోరీ, వాట్ డిడ్ యూ ఫీల్ లైక్?
Okay, so I will not put my personal thoughts into that, because what my personal thoughts are completely contradicting to what the storyline is, what the concept is. Okay, but me being an actor, I have to place myself in the shoes of that particular person as well. So I have to feel the emotions that why the situation. If a girl is, falling in love with a man who's married, why? Under what circumstances, under what situations that she felt attracted towards that guy or towards that man, and why she's justifying that thing, and she's not shying away even from expressing her love towards that guy. So being an actor, I have to understand all of this. I have to understand the perspective of the director as well. So when director told me the storyline, when he said the whole concept, I was convinced, because this pain, this emotion has also been shown through the point of view of a man. First of all, it is shown through a point of view of a man, and second of all, it's like not every men are okay and ready to talk about certain kind of mommy issues what they have in their life.
So true.
So in this story, in this Love You 2, you can find that issues are being addressed, at least not addressed completely, but they are being brought up to the surface.
Absolutely.
So that those people who do not know about this thing, जिनको उनके बारे में मालूम ही नहीं है, जिनको पता ही नहीं है, तो उनको थोड़ा एक आइडिया है कि नहीं, whether they also have to reflect back to their life and checking upon themselves that okay, whether if they are facing certain issues, then basically if it's because of this thing, or if it's not because of this thing, then what? So I was convinced that okay, fine, in such certain situation, it is very much okay for a guy to also be in love with a girl.
Yeah.
Even after the marriage. And being a girl, if a girl is getting the kind of attention, the pampering, the kind of love from a matured guy who has already seen the world, who is already sorted out, so I mean any girl will fall for that man. So I was like, okay, pretty much convinced that no, me being an actor, I have to, try this new role. And this character what I'm playing is completely opposite to what a Prachi Thakur in real life is. So that was also a challenging part for me. And then it's like, I'm like, okay, fine. I mean, this is an opportunity which I got, and I mean, let us try. I mean, I just had a conversation with myself that let us try this thing, test out my caliber, that whether I'm able to justify the Sushma or not.
I know, because typically when you're an actor, and there are some characters that you are not comfortable imagining yourself, which is, I mean, I'm not saying it's not comfortable, which is against our philosophy of life or desires, or which is against our desires and needs. ऐसा कुछ आता है तो it is again a struggle for us to internally, process that, like, okay, make peace with it. This is just a character and live towards it.
Yes. I agree.
So mommy, अभी जो आपने बताया mommy issues का जो बात है, this is exactly major issue for most, I mean, not all men category को बाजू में लगा के देखते हैं, तो majorly most of the men have mommy issues, and woman emotion पता नहीं होता है mommy के through, तो वो आने वाले woman उसके life में वो absence of mother emotion will reflect on the relationship.
Exactly.
और जो भी female encounters लड़के को mommy issues के साथ encounter होता है, हर औरत के friendship पे, जो भी रिलेशनशिप हो, सिस्टर हो, बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो, गर्लफ्रेंड हो, वाइफ हो, डॉटर हो, सब में रिफ्लेक्ट करता है.
Exactly.
So how to address it, how to understand it, I think this is one good story to understand that perspective.
Exactly.
I like it that way. So
Thank
ये
you so
मूवी
much.
में you, Jyoti and Sandeep were the soul of the story. 3 कैरेक्टर्स में कौन सा कैरेक्टर आपका फेवरेट है?
मुझे मेरा ही कैरेक्टर अच्छा लगता है. I like how Sushma is, because she is like, I mean, at the end, if you have seen the movie, then you might can also see that there were times in between which where Sushma was considered to be a kind of a villain in the married life of Sandeep. I mean, the Surya and Purna. So, I mean, Sushma, she's not at all a villain. She's not even a hero. She's a neutral person.
Yeah.
She's just living her life, expressing her emotions, and she just wants to be better, wants to have the betterment of everyone.
Yeah.
Even though she knows that she has been in an affair with a married man, but yet she does not persuade the man to divorce the wife.
Yeah.
Ulta, she pushes him to solve and resolve his equations and issues with his wife.
True.
Kind of trying to okay, ठीक है, आपको अगर ये issue है, there are scenes in between, if people will watch and they'll get to know that there are scenes in between where Sushma is trying to help Surya in understanding that if she was not there, then definitely he would be trying to fixing his relationship with his wife.
Point of views देते
Yes,
रहती.
point of views. And secondly, no matter howsoever the storyline is going, at the end, who has got the suffering the most? I mean, wife, yes, eventually she is there, but even Sushma, because post-climax, I do not want to reveal the thing, but there are scenes in the post-climax where you can find that what all things happens with her, and which allegedly takes away her only love.
Yeah.
So that is a bit difficult for any person like Sushma to, in certain situations, to keep her sane, to keep her mind, and simultaneously just to have that positivity in the heart.
Yeah.
And yes, I believe that Love You Too has expressed all these issues in a very well way. Maybe it might not have helped in solving them, but at least it has brought them up to the surface.
True.
At least. Right now, each and every people knows, in all the generation, they knows that, okay, women and girls, the girls, they have the daddy issues. But no one talks about the men having the mommy issues.
Absolutely.
So this is something which, which is underlying there since the ages, since the years, but no one has ever dared to talk about it.
Yeah.
And also when it comes to the emotions in men, I mean, this is very rare topic.
और तो और ऐसा है कि हम लोग अपने कल्चर में माता जी को एक इम्पोर्टेंट रेस्पेक्ट देते हैं लाइफ में, तो यू डोंट डेयर टू टॉक अबाउट मॉम बीइंग अ विलन इन योर लाइफ. लाइक मतलब अपने को कंसिडर करने के लिए, खुद अपने सोल को कंसिडर करने के लिए भी यू डोंट डेयर. लाइक हाउ कैन आई बी रॉन्ग अबाउट माय मॉम, हाउ कैन माय मॉम बी रॉन्ग, लाइक नो, बिकॉज मॉम इज गॉड एंड ऑफ द डे. So this is important. Like mommy issues are very much needed topic for everybody. And సినిమాలో క్యారెక్టర్సే కాకుండా సినిమా క్యారెక్టర్ జస్టిఫై చేయడమే కాకుండా మీ లైఫ్ లో కూడా మామీ ఇష్యూస్ అంటే ఏంటి, అసలు ఎందుకు ఉంటాయి, వీటిని ఎట్లా అడ్రస్ చేయాలా, దాని సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఏంటి, ఇలాంటివి చాలా మనం గూగుల్ రీసెర్చ్ చేసినా మస్తు దొరుకుతుంది కంటెంట్. ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ మచ్ నీడెడ్ టాపిక్. ఐఎమ్ సో గ్లాడ్ యోగి మేడ్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్. అంటే ఈ సినిమా క్లైమాక్స్ జస్టిఫైడా కాదా అనేది నేను యోగితో డిస్కస్ చేస్తా. ఐ హ్యావ్ మై ఓన్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్, బట్ ద టాపిక్ ఇస్ గుడ్. సో మీకు ఇంకా తెలియని విషయం ఏంటంటే సినిమాలో ప్రాచీ ఇస్ వన్ లీడ్ అండ్ నేను తనకి వాయిస్ కి డబ్బింగ్ చెప్పాను.
Yes, Gayatri has dubbed my voice in Telugu and she has done an amazing job. I mean, even I am like very much surprised after watching the movie that how much in sync the my character on screen and with the Gayatri's voice, so it's like completely looking very much synced. Yeah, I mean it's completely suitable. So I'm like, yeah, that's a great thing.
Yeah, actually,
it's going in a sync very well. No one can figure out maybe that it's not my voice though,
unless if you tell.
Yes, exactly. Because the way how even when it comes to maybe as an actor, maybe I might have missed out on giving few of the expressions while saying the dialogue, or while in the pressure of delivering the dialogue, but all that thing has been covered up with the voiceover, because when it comes to the voice too has to have that emotion. Then only it's going to get matched to the whole picture scenario, and that Gayatri has done a very good job.
Thanks. I thought today I was appreciating you, but I got appreciated.
Obviously, you have done a great job, Gayatri. I mean, you are also part of Love You To team, right?
True, yeah.
Definitely.
How was working with Yogi?
Yogi is a kind of a very chill director where I did not had to have any kind of a tension or any worry that okay fine he might be deviating from the topic or all. Everything he was clear that whatever he wanted, he's clear in his head, and the way he guided me, the way he directed the character Sushma, I mean I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. That's what I say.
And how was Sandeep? How was...
I have a really good co-actors and they were very nice. They were very helpful, very friendly, and on sets I would say that okay, on set it has always been a light scenario, like friendly, light-hearted scenario. So वो situation में काम करने में भी बहुत मजा आती है.
Because I want monogamy, I want you also to follow monogamy. We all have our choices. Some are polyamorous, some are monogamous, some are asexual.
Yeah. In order to even have an open marriage or open relationship, you need to have a better communication with whosoever your partner is, or if your partner is also okay, and if also you are also okay.
जो भी करो consent के साथ.
Exactly. The only thing matters right now is not on the debate of a polygamy or monogamy. The only thing is how well you want to communicate whatever your desires are.
Yeah.
That is it. वो क्लियर हो जाए तो आधा जो भी है कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स जो है, पंगे जो है, वो सारे खत्म हो जाएंगे. And if your partner, if you want an open relationship, your partner is not okay with that, then also how you want to proceed further.
Yeah.
What are you looking for? How do you want to proceed further? That also matters.
Yeah.
It's just, I mean, I think so. This thing is very subjective to individuals.
Yeah,
now.
it is.
अभी ऐसा हो गया कि सब अपना अपना ही जो भी आपका मन करता है आप कम्युनिकेट करो अपने पार्टनर से. बस मॉरल पॉलिसिंग करने ना जाओ कि हाँ ये सही है, अपने इंडियन के कल्चर में ये था. इंडियन, there are many people. There is this reel which got viral, right? When Sandeep said during our press meet that okay, there is no rule that a man cannot love after marriage.
Yeah.
There is no rule. I agree, there is no rule. But and on that reel, the amount of comments what I have been reading, people are saying that okay, this is not an Indian culture. Why are you having the Western culture and all that thing? अभी मैंने बोला इंडियन कल्चर में क्या होता आया था, राजा महाराजाओं का, कितने सारे राजाओं की कितनी सारी रानियां थी. कैसे वो इंडियन कल्चर नहीं हुआ?
There are so many, even मतलब मेरे को जो पुराने मेरे मम्मी के एज के टाइम के लोगों के, मम्मी की फ्रेंड्स के जो रिलेशनशिप्स मैंने देखा है, थोड़े बहुत मैंने देखा है कि दो वाइफ्स के शादी करके जो रिलेशनशिप्स है ना वैसे भी है. एंड आई ऑल्सो वेंट टू देयर होम जस्ट टू गेट सरप्राइज, लाइक उनके बीच में फ्रेंडशिप इतना अच्छा था, दीदी बहन करके बात करके. दे हैव मोर सिस्टर बॉन्डिंग. एंड मेरे को जो अच्छा लग रहा है किसी को चोट नहीं पहुंचा रहा है.
Yeah, exactly.
I think you should go.
Yeah, exactly. मेरा personally the reason why I say it, because I mean, I do get all the reviews, this mixed review that why there are few people who will say polygamy is like, oh, there's nothing wrong with the polygamy.
Yeah.
Few people will say, no, the monogamy should be established and should be the rule and all that. Okay, those are those people's view. According to me, मेरा personal view अलग ही है. Like, I am the kind of a person that personally, even though I did this movie personally, I would say that I may not be okay with my partner or my person being having a relationship with someone else. That is just my solo views.
Yeah.
Because I am a very different individual when it comes to my own personal self.
True.
So मेरा according to me मेरे क्या बोलते हैं मेरे बिलीफ के हिसाब से मैं अपना जो मैं बिलीव करती हूँ मैं उस हिसाब से मैं चलूंगी. But that doesn't mean that I will oppose the polygamy or I will strictly stand by the monogamy. No. I am at peace with what my decisions are, what my life choices are. I am at peace with it.
I want you to tell me about your journey in the film industry. मतलब कितने साल से इंडस्ट्री में हो?
आई विल से कि मैं थ्रू आउट तो नहीं रही हूँ बट मेरा फर्स्ट मूवी जो आया था दैट वाज इन 2014 where I started. I always used to be a model, like before coming here, before taking up my education over here in Hyderabad. Ahmedabad se hi I used to be a model. I had my modeling journey. Then after coming over here, I had I had a good portfolio. Basically, I had a good photographs and all that. And because of through my mutual friends, through my classmates and all that, I met few people of the industry. I went for an audition, and that's how I done Silent Melody. After Silent Melody, I got this opportunity to do Patas, through which majority of the audience knows me right now. So Patas happened in 2015. And I got lots of offers after Patas got hit, and my character was very much appreciated by the people. But the thing is, I was not able to take up those opportunities because I also had my college final year going on. So I took a break. I had to take a break. I had to let go of the project. So it was like one time rise and shine wala opportunity for me, and I was not knowing that okay, later on if I want to continue this thing, then it's gonna be very difficult. Eventually it did, because I mean, after Patas, after my graduation got over, I was not continuing in the film industry. I had to go back to my hometown. I had personal reasons, and I took up a job as a textile designer in a very reputed firm.
Nice.
And while working, while doing a job, वो होता है ना अंदर का artist का कीड़ा. It does not, stays quiet. It was like, no, I am not a job kind of a person. I cannot do this.
Yeah.
Eventually I realized that, and I had to convince my family, I had to convince my dad that okay, no, I want to, I'm quitting my job and I want to look into this movie industry again. And then after quitting the job, I tried in Gujarati film industry because that was like something which is very near. I used to stay in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, my hometown. So I was like, okay, fine, let me try from Gujarati film industry. So I tried it. I did few projects. I mean, I did one project. It did not do well on the box office. It was a utter flop. And then eventually I had my connection still over here. So I got a web series opportunity, and because of that I was able to at least start traveling to and fro from Hyderabad to Ahmedabad. Till then, in 2019 I'm talking about this is. So in 2019 also I was not completely shifted to Hyderabad again. I kept on traveling from Ahmedabad, Hyderabad. Whenever the shoot was there, I used to come over here. Shoot got over, I used to go back. Then I think so later in 2019, I planned to get shifted over here. So I used to stay with my friend's place, and then eventually, I had to be, contribute to all the expenses and everything. So I started shifted over here in 2020. 2020 again, COVID happened.
Lockdown happened. How did you manage?
It was very difficult. Lockdown for me was very, very difficult because it was, I was just deciding to start again in the industry, and I was just re-establishing my contacts. I was planning to, okay, चलो अब मैं कुछ शुरू करूँगी.
Major decision ले लिया है आपने कि shift हो गए already.
Exactly. So 2020 was, I mean, I don't want to talk about the lockdown because it was horrible, because I know that how much of the economically crunched I have felt. No doubt, I had a support from my father, from my parents and all. I obviously, if you're not working, then your bills are still gonna be the same, and then you need to have one or the other earning source. I had a support of my father, and luckily after the lockdown got over, I got this offer of Love You Too movie, and that's it. That okay, fine. That boosted my confidence yet once again, and I had my journey going on in the industry, and by that time I was also suffering from the projects which I did in 2019 which were not get released, which got released this year. So I would say this, I mean, from again after the break from 2019 till 2023, this year My journey has been a lots of ups and downs. It has been really very difficult for me to.
Whirlpool, I guess.
Yes, it has been really difficult for me to reestablish my base, to get the projects, to make people believe that no, I'm that Patas girl what they had once upon a time appreciated my role and all that. ठीक है हुआ चला, but this year I'm very much hopeful, I'm very much positive, because this is the year where all of my pending projects have got released.
Oh, nice.
Not only Love You Too, but even The Bad Trip, which is released in Sony Live, even Okala, it's a Telugu movie, and another next of my projects is soon going to get released in July, that is Raju Gari Kodi Pulav. So yeah, I'm having a really good positive vibes this year, that कितना भी struggle करो, कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ अगर आपका मेहनत है, hard work है, तो वो आपको fruits देगा ही, रंग लाएगा. But that doesn't mean that the journey has been easy. It has been very difficult, very difficult.
I know.
It's like being an artist, you have to. I understand that being an artist, you have to live from paycheck to paycheck.
Yeah.
It's not a regular
Absolutely.
income.
Like you don't even have godfathers from the industry.
Exactly.
You're on your own now.
Exactly.
Like तुम्हारे घर वालों को पता नहीं है what's your journey, and it's always judged like if you're into modeling or acting, being an actor, having no person in the family background. वो लोगों को पता भी नहीं है what are you signing up for, what
Exactly.
उनको क्या दिखता है, छोटे कपड़े पहन रही है, मूवीज में सीन्स ऐसे वैसे होते हैं, मतलब मेरी बच्ची बाहर जा रही है, वो एक प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, फाइनेंशियल बैलेंस करना, वो तो एक्सट्रीमली, मतलब ये अपना पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी में ना, तो मतलब इक्वल पे ये सब समझ में आता भी नहीं लोगों को, until and unless you are a female experiencing this who has no background, ही पता चलेगा, और किसी को समझ में भी नहीं आएगा ये struggle.
Absolutely. I mean, it has been a. If you don't have any godfather, or if you're not coming from a filmy background or filmy family in this industry, then it's gonna be really very difficult for you.
It is.
Because लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ टैलेंट चलता है, टैलेंट चलता है, टैलेंट बिकता भी है, बट टैलेंट के अलावा बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसको you have to take into consideration.
True.
When you come to this industry, because there are many people, there is a competition is done, it is tough, but
I tell you, I see more than anything, अभी तो हम लोग Me Too करके sexual exploitation के बारे में इतना कुछ बात करें, ये सबसे ज्यादा मुझे लगता है कि मतलब इंटेलिजेंस को बेचना भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है यार. अपना इंटेलेक्ट बेचने के लिए you have to go through misogyny.
yeah,
That is a bigger break. Sexual exploitation से ज्यादा मुझे misogyny से प्रॉब्लम है. ये तो still depends on your intelligence, मतलब how smart you can tackle. It's all opposite gender equation, so it's still manageable. I guess you can still take अभी तो we are all psychologically, education wise we are well equipped in this generation.
yeah.
तो ये misogyny भी थोड़ा क्लियर होता है तो और अच्छा रहेगा. लेकिन I'm so proud the way you are
Thank you.
grounded. मतलब जिद नहीं छोड़ा है तुमने इतने सालों में. You have not given up on what you wanted to do, because independent होके एक this is not even your state. You don't even know the language completely. You have to live here. You have to worry about your safety. You have to be your own parent. You have to be your own caretaker, savior, or breadwinner.
Yes.
That's
It's
too
everything
much.
all
That's
in
too
one.
much. Yeah.
Everything.
How do you cope up your mental issues? And मतलब इतना मैं तो मैं कभी-कभी इतना डिप्रेस हो जाती हूँ ना, I just shut down myself, किसी से बात नहीं करती हूँ, फोन ऑफ कर देती हूँ, 3 दिन तो घर में से बाहर निकल भी नहीं सकती हूँ, वैसा हो जाता है मेरा कभी-कभी सिचुएशन. Do you get those kind of breakdowns in your?
I do. Definitely I do. There are times, there are days where I cannot even, I don't wish to even get out of the bed. I have been. I mean, be it career issues, or be it my personal issues, or be it whatsoever, when I have been through major breakdowns, and क्या होता है, बस रो लो, जितना तुमको रोना आता है रो लो, अकेले होते हो, प्राइवेसी हो जाती है. एक चीज अच्छी बात है कि like when you are staying alone, then you get the full privacy of expressing whatever your hidden emotions are.
Yeah.
Whether you want to scream, you shout, or you want to cry, or you just want to just bang your head, or you just want to shake up yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that is there, and
Take it off.
Yeah, take it off. Just take it off. I have been there. I still do feel. I mean, that is a journey. That's a part and parcel of one's life. When the mental breakdowns are there, I think I have my friends. If I feel like I want to, vent it out, if I want to just, talk it out, I have my friends. I just, dial the phone and just start crying. That's it. I just start crying. I mean, because I think I'll be very honest. My parents, they do not know. They know, okay, fine, I'm in this industry, I'm working this, but they do not know my complete journey.
True.
Very much. They do not know what kind of struggles I have, what kind of problems I have, not only just financially, but many other things. When it comes to emotions, when it comes to under self-confident, whenever you're feeling underconfident,
Yeah.
whenever you have that anxiety, whenever you have that nervousness
Yeah.
before any project get released, that okay, fine, whether people are going to like my work or not.
True.
So all these things are there when it comes. So it is a part of being a human.
True.
So to cope up with them, just whenever you are in a new city, just make good friends.
True.
Have your own connections, establish good connections on people you rely on.
Yeah.
Have that ecosystem of your own self where you
Exactly.
can sustain on your own, and it's like, and I
You
think
create
female-
your vessel, social vessel.
Exactly. So yeah, I have that thing, and I do rely upon people who help me to come through this breakdown and all. So
That's
yes, I'm
nice.
grateful.
And there is also one typical situation whenever like we have this nervous breakdowns or like issues that we go through in the being specifically an actor.
Exactly.
Like people आराम से बोल देते हैं कि कोई दूसरा काम कर लेना,
Exactly.
इतना प्रॉब्लम है तो छोड़ देना. मतलब हम लोग खाली पैसों के लिए जी रहे हैं. हम लोग तो सोल सेटिस्फाई कर रहे हैं, जो काम कर रहे हैं उसमें से we need that soul satisfaction.
Exactly.
No person, no other work can give you that. Now it becomes our duty to improvise the society according to our needs. मतलब हमारा communication skills इतना बढ़ाना चाहिए कि they also will understand what we need and
Yeah.
be more vocal. I feel like we have to be more vocal.
I understand that thing. When it comes to an actor, there are people who will give you the advice, okay, fine, if you're not able to sustain yourself, then you can have another job. You can have, a second job. And many people, I think, so many people are there who do have a side businesses, even being an actor and all that. Eventually, I'll also have it. But right now, I don't think so. It is my phase, or it is my time to, start something new.
Yeah.
Because I want to completely 100% I want to focus in this art. I'm not yet there.
Yeah.
Even if I'll tell you that okay, if I watch my own movies, I criticize myself कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया है. I could have done a better expressions over there. I could have done a bit better. And then I start practicing all those things again in front of mirror. I start rehearsing. I start practicing and all. So it's still like I know that where to invest my time, and in this case, I do not have an extra minute to invest somewhere else.
True.
To think about even having a second job or a second business income source or second startup or something. No. Right now, if I'm not giving 100% in this art, in this craft of mine, then I'm not justifying it completely.
Yeah.
I'm just living for the heck of it. Just like चलो बस कल को जाके मुझे कोई आईफा दे देगा या मुझे कोई अवार्ड मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, fine, I'll be happy, I'm living for that. No. Me being an actor for me it's a completely different it's a very different trance, I would say.
Yeah.
It's a completely different trance which I cannot justify it, which I cannot even
Put in words.
articulate
Yeah.
in the words as well. So why I love being an actor is there are many reasons, many things.
I figured out some reasons why I've become an actor.
Why?
Okay?
Tell me.
As a child, I was not heard properly. Like child को क्या होता है, attention चाहिए,
Yes,
प्यार
exactly.
चाहिए.
It wants
जब
to
मुझे मिला
express.
नहीं तो I was always, as a child inside me has always craved for that. So मुझे film industry का जब ये सब माहौल समझ में आने लगा तो मुझे लगा कि temporarily तो तुम्हारा family बनेगा, temporarily you'll have people around you who will
Exactly.
enact as a family, and I wanted to feel that emotion.
Yeah.
And second thing, when you're not heard as a child, our soul gets so louder that you want to scream so louder that you want to be an actor and show your.
Exactly.
I want to get heard like this. Now I want to write stories like this. I want to be an actor and want this validation. I want my love. I want my validation. Which society gives you. मतलब अगर तुम्हारा छोटा फैमिली नहीं है तो मेरे लिए ऑडियंस और जो लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं उससे बड़ा फैमिली बड़ा है मुझे. So that's more satisfaction to our soul that we give to ourselves being an actor. Like,
yeah, my case it was like I was being very indecisive when it comes to my future. स्कूल में अगर कोई मुझे पूछता था मुझे बड़े होके क्या बनना है, मेरे हर बार जवाब अलग अलग होते थे. I wanted to become a designer, I wanted to become a businesswoman, I wanted to become a painter, I wanted to become a musician and everything. So in order that I can play each and every role, I became an actor. So basically, yeah.
So true. मतलब बच्चे को क्या पता होता है यार उसको क्या
Exactly.
बनना चाहिए. Once you live so many different kinds of expectations on ourselves,
Exactly.
then we are like, okay, when I can multitask with different characters in my life, let me
Exactly.
get paid for it.
Yeah, why to, you know, settle down for one particular thing?
True.
Definitely.
That's nice.
That has been the case.
So how do you maintain your health and good looks and good body, like healthy body? I have seen you dancing like a rubber string in the I Love You Too movie. Amazing, yaar. You dance well. You have a very, very toned body, which is very inspiring to me. I'm struggling with my... मतलब I'm not body shaming myself.
No.
I'm proud the way I am, but still I wanted to get into some shape, desired shape and all, which you have. Like I felt like I need to take notes from you with the diet and
No,
workout regime.
it's not a big deal. I just have ghar ka khana. At times if I don't feel like cooking, if I feel lazy, then yes, Swiggy and Zomato zindabad. But I mean, I would say that I am blessed with good genetics. First of all, it's not you know, I have to work very hard to have this kind of a body or something. I have my genetics. I have my genes are developed like that. So, you know, I don't have major of the hard work to be done. Yes, when it comes to workout and all, I used to do lots of workout. I used to, you know, dance a lot. I used to be, you know, in not in the sports, but I used to be in the swimming and all. I love swimming. So once in a while, go for a swimming or, you know, just do some exercises if you're not able to go to gym and all. Just do some exercises at home. And because of, I understand that how an actor's schedule or how an actor's routine is. Maybe at times you have to go to the shoots and all that thing, and you might not be able to wake up early, or you are damn tired even after, you know, the long 12 hours or, you know, 16 hours of shift. You might not feel like hitting the gym.
Yeah.
That has been the case with me. So in that case, it's just, you know, walk around after eating. Just have a walk around.
Yeah.
Before, when in the morning after your breakfast, just walk around in your house. Walk. That's it.
So मैंने last year I have been to an ashram to just detox and understand to how to communicate with your body.
अच्छा.
तो वहाँ पे ना मुझे पहले फास्टिंग के बाद, like you said,
Intermittent fasting.
उसके हिसाब से, और एलिमिनेशन डाइट, मतलब जो अनहेल्दी चीज है वो सब पहले निकाल के फिर रीइंट्रोड्यूसिंग योरसेल्फ, थोड़ा डिफरेंट खाना. मतलब ये सब एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद मुझे लगा घर का खाना इज द बेस्ट. घर का खाना इज ऑलरेडी द सॉल्यूशन वी हैव.
Oh my God, yes, definitely.
So we had to go to a detox session to understand.
But that घर का खाना भी ऐसा नहीं, मतलब कि घर पे आप रोज पिज्जा बनाओ, बर्गर बनाओ. It's not like that. घर का खाना मतलब
मम्मी जो बनाते थे.
Yeah, because people might also, you know, misunderstand this thing कि हाँ घर का खाना, चलो घर पिज्जा तो घर पे ही बनाया है ना, but उसमें चीज तो डला है, मैदा तो यूज किया है आपने, राइट? उतना कैलोरीज तो आप ले रहे हो, वही सेम कैलोरी आप बाहर में जाके आप ले रहे हो, कंज्यूम कर रहे हो.
हमारे घर में बचपन से सात्विक डाइट था.
Yeah, normal, whatever. If people like just, you have to understand, one own self has to understand their own body and, you know, eat according to feed the calories accordingly. Green vegetables, it's just like the balanced diet. Even if you're having a pizza once in a while, then don't forget to have the fruits and, you know, the green veggies and everything in your diet. You have to include that thing.
True.
Dry fruits hai, the seeds hai, and many other things, like basically I would say proteins hai, like because I'm a vegetarian, and especially जो वेजिटेरियन लोग होते हैं उनके साथ प्रॉब्लम ये रहता है कि they are always a protein deficient.
Yeah.
They do not consume the protein which is required for the body. So for that you can take the supplements, even though if you're not
dal hai, मतलब there are so many vegetable
dal and all that, but that is not providing you the, you know, proper nutrition and protein which your body needs. There are some factors, there are some minerals and proteins which get, you know, evaporated while cooking and all
there are so many things.
आप किस तरीके से कुक करते हो उससे भी आपका न्यूट्रिशन वो डिसाइड होता है ना.
True.
If you overcook it, then, and if you eating the meal, then there is no nutrition in that.
Yeah.
तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं, आप कितना भी घर का खाओगे.
सही.
अंडर कुक करोगे तो आपको वो भी पोषण नहीं मिलेगा.
Yeah.
So this is a kind of a science, like something.
Yeah, you have to understand
how you have to understand how you have to treat your body like a temple.
Yeah.
And your soul, like, you know, the god of yourself.
True.
Not necessary that I try to follow. I do my level best to follow all that thing. It's not that I'm telling the audience that you should do it. It's just that is what my belief is. I try to follow this, not completely. I can also not follow completely 100% at times. I try to do it.
Maximum jitna ho sake.
Because in our industry, self maintenance is the biggest investment
True.
for us. हमारा सबसे ज्यादा मेंटेनेंस कहाँ जाता है? खुद के ऊपर जाता है.
Absolutely.
आउटर बॉडी पार्ट देख लो या अंदर से देख लो.
Yeah.
You have to be
Strong and look good.
Exactly. Because that's what will appeal on screen. That's what people wants to see.
Yeah.
ऑडियंस को वही देखना है. अगर वो चीज नहीं दिखा रहे हो, and plus me being a woman, you always need to have, I mean, under the societal pressure or whatsoever, you always need to have that kind of X factor.
Yeah. अभी तो कैपिटलिज्म में ऐसी है ना, जो
Yeah.
बिकता है वो बिकता है. I mean, X factor मतलब charm. You have to put the charm inside.
Exactly.
That's mandatory. Like कुछ भी हो, मतलब काम जो भी करो उसमें X factor होना ही
X factor
होना है.
होना ही. आपका प्रोडक्ट वो प्रोडक्ट से कैसे अलग है, कैसे उसको कंपटीशन दे रहा है, वही तो है.
मैं ना कितने बार अपने आप को आईने में देखती हूँ और थोड़े बात करती हूँ. अभी आपसे बात करने के बाद आपसे भी पूछने का ये मन कर रहा है कि
जी.
with all the hormonal changes we have, with all the 28 days of period cycle which is hitting us emotionally, giving us mood swings all the time, hunger cravings all the time. Now you also live alone.
Yeah.
Do you cook?
Yeah.
I mean,
I stay with my flatmate. Like she also happens to be from the kind of same industry.
I'm telling, like, when you're shooting and all, how do you manage your food style with, I mean, everything you have to do it on yourself. Like, it's on you. Office को जा रहे हो तो अपने, I don't have a wife who will cook and make a box for me, who will help me out getting ready or to make my body or to मतलब you know, you don't have that support system. No, माता जी हो, नहीं तो wife हो, नहीं तो husband हो, कुछ भी नहीं है. अपने को जो भी है पूरा एक one man army है life.
Yes. So, I mean, during those days it depends. Like if I have shoots, then obviously you have the production which has the shoots. I mean, you have the lunch and or dinner sorted at the shoot sets. When I'm alone at home, if I don't feel like cooking, then I'll just order out. That's it. I just order. There are times even I don't feel like eating anything. I'll just order coconut water or something. I just sip on coconut water or some liquids. So yeah, I mean, I take ample rest. I try to take rest because आपका बॉडी ही खुद उतना वीक हो जाता है. आप अपने आप उतना वो वीक हो जाते हो कि कुछ करने का मन नहीं करता है आपको.
And women need 10 hours of sleep at least.
I used to survive on 3 hours of sleep for past few days, man.
Yeah, काम होता है तो you won't believe me, there are days where I did not sleep 10 days back to back.
Oh my God.
मतलब हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गई वो अलग बात है, लेकिन ऐसे भी हालात होते हैं कि you don't get a chance to sleep. Shoots के टाइम पर 3 days, 4 days, maximum was 10 days where I fell sick. But ऐसा भी दिन होता है, we have to balance and these will affect us a lot on a hormonal
It might affect hormonally and even for our mental health as well. That I would like to say कि mental health को भी बहुत affect करता है ये चीज. You have to just cope up.
Yeah, I started going to therapy recently. It's helping me very much. I mean, मुझे लगा जाने के बाद लगा कि अरे यार मुझे पहले भी जाना था. It would have helped me better, understand better. Because psychology.
I think each and every human on this earth should go for a therapy. That is what my beliefs are.
So true. It'll give us tools to live
Actually,
better.
Yeah. Even though, I mean, this is a very wrong notion. बहुत गलत फहमी है ये कि अगर आपको कोई मेंटल इश्यू नहीं है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो आप क्यों थेरेपी में जाओगे? क्यों जाओगे? नहीं बाबा, अगर आपको नहीं है फिर भी आपको थेरेपी में इसलिए जाना है बिकॉज देयर माइट बी समथिंग और द अदर थिंग. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हर एक दुनिया में आया हुआ हर एक इंसान खुश है. किसी ना किसी का कुछ ना कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम तो इश्यू होना ही है बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. दैट इज इनएविटेबल. So what I believe that each and every human being should be, should be pushed to the therapy. You just go.
Yeah.
Even though you don't have any problem, even though you are that, just go and have
Just
a therapy.
to understand.
Just to understand your own self better, basically.
Yeah.
Not just to understand. If you don't have any issue, just try to understand yourself better. And if therapy is helping you, then go for the therapy. If any retreat program is helping you, then go to a retreat program.
Yeah.
But once in a while, each and every human being should. That is my belief.
You should. ఆ సినిమా కొంచెం ఇబ్బంది పెట్టేస్తుంది, మిమ్మల్ని రియాలిటీ చెక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడిగేస్తుంది.
Exactly.
అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ మీ లైఫ్ లో, రియల్ లైఫ్ లో మీకు అలాంటి పరిస్థితి వస్తే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు అనే సిచ్యువేషన్ క్వశ్చన్ తప్పకుండా వస్తుంది. సో సినిమా ఎండింగ్ కరెక్టా కాదా అనేది మీరు జస్టిఫై చేసుకోవాలి, మీరు డిసైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఇంత కాంప్లికేటెడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ని మీరు చూడాలి అని నేను చెప్తున్నాను అంటే మీరు తప్పకుండా చూడాలి. Go watch it. Love You Too is a wonderful film.
Thank you so much.
And thank you so much for your time,
Thank you,
Prachi. It
bye.
was great talking to you.
It was a great talking to you also. I love this, one-on-one candid interviews where, you just not only talk about the movie, but also talk about many things which are related to us being an actor.
Yeah.
Being the character, whatever we are portraying. And I had a really amazing session.
Thank you.
Hopeful, looking forward to have one more session with, our very own Gayatri.
We'll talk. I have so many things to talk with you.
Definitely. Then
For
always
now,
are gonna see us
this is
together.
for Love You Too, so I'm like restricting only some things to this.
Yes, definitely. So, guys, do watch Love You Too, which is streaming on multiple apps, and do comment down your opinions regarding what do you think about many things. Like, I'm just keeping it open-ended.
Bye.
बहुत ही मस्त यार